So, first of all, would you like to ask something about your assignment, or we will start with something else? Hello, any answer?
Sir, I had submitted my assignment on 30th September. Sir,
Yes,
have
you
you
have.
received it?
Yes, and the rest, ma'am, you have submitted, but the rest, do you need any help? There were some people who was asking yesterday about some help. So anybody does
Yes,
need any
sir.
help?
Yes, sir. So, first I wanted to ask that we'll only like write the answers, and do we have to attach the assignment like the question paper also?
Um, how can I say? Yes, you can do that. How did Miss Indrani Shengupta did it? Please share with everybody.
Sir, as per IGNOU's standing guidelines, we have to attach the question paper
Yes,
and then a cover page, which
yes,
is given in the question paper. The format is given, and then handwritten answers.
yes. Okay.
And sir, I had one more doubt in a passage question, sir.
Okay.
I can't make out that passage.
Okay. Please tell me which page, which line.
So it is in assignment, the first assignment, BSL 1, the
Hmm?
sixth question.
Okay, it's the sixth question. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, leo el texto y señalia verdadero o falso. Read the text and signal whether it's true or false. Yes. So let's start with me. Can you read it for everybody and tell me your problem?
Sir, I can't understand the text, so it's like just too complex, I feel.
La América Central es la región que se encuentra entre Mexico y Colombia. The Central America is a region which is found between Mexico and Colombia. Esta región está dividida en 7 pequeñas naciones. 6 en las cuales se habla español y belice. País
So
de...
it's the sixth one. I think it's you are reading a different one. I think so. In the first assignment, the sixth question.
First assignment. Oh, it's BSL 2. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, is it El Mundo Hispánico es enorme? That
Yes,
one.
yes, that's the one. That's the one.
1 minute. Can you share the assignment with me through email?
Yes, sir.
Anybody?
Just a minute.
And everybody who are present today, please write your enrollment number just now.
Sir, I have shared the link of the question paper, the assignment.
Okay.
I have mailed it to you.
Okay. Still not come. I hope it will come just now. Still not have come. Yes, now it's come. Yes. Yes. El mundo hispánico es enorme. Will I read it and explain it to you, to everybody?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
El mundo hispánico es enorme. The Hispanic world, the Spanish world is enorme. Tiene un total de 20 países independientes. It has a total of 20 independent states, countries. En estos países situados en cuatro continentes hay más de 580 millones de personas que hablan español. In these countries, which is situated in 4 continents, there are 500, more than 580 millions of persons who speak Spanish. En los Estados Unidos hay más de 50 millones de hispanohablantes. In the United States, there are more than 50 million Spanish speakers. El mundo hispánico comienza en Europa con Hispania y se extiende hasta Tierra del Fuego, la Argentina. The Spanish world starts in Europe with Spanish and it's extended up to uh, the the land of fire, the Argentina, in la punto de la America del Sur, in the point of the South America, at the point of the South America. México forma parte de la América del Norte y está al sur de los Estados Unidos. Mexico is a part of North America and is found in at the south of United States of America. La capital de México es la ciudad más grande del mundo. The capital of Mexico is the biggest city in the world. Hay seis países hispanos en la América Central. There are 6 Spanish-speaking countries in Central America. In nueve en la América del Sur, in the South America, and 9 in South America. En el Mar Caribe hay 2 países hispanos, la isla de Cuba y la República Dominicana. In the Caribbean Sea, there are 2 Spanish countries, the island of Cuba and the Dominican Republic. Aunque Puerto Rico es un estado libre, although Puerto Rico is a independent state, associated independent state of United States, el idioma principal es el español. Its main language is Spanish. Did you get it, everybody? The meaning?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now can you solve it? And any more questions on the text? Please ask me, everybody. Any questions you have from anything? Please, anybody? Any question? Is everything now okay? Or do you have any more questions? Any things which you don't understand?
So can I get to other questions in the afternoon class?
Yes, why not? And any text which you don't understand, you
So I have some doubts in the third question also of the same assignment.
third question, okay. Completa las frases con la forma adecuada de los verbos en imperativo. Okay, imperative you have to learn. So what we do today, just now, I give you a short introduction about how to tell time in Spanish, and then I will teach you imperative, okay? So that you can do this. Is it okay for everybody? Hello.
So which question was this?
Question number 3.
Question number 3.
So question number 3 of the first assignment, sir. This is BSL 2 question number 3.
1 minute.
But this also I want to ask.
Okay. Question number 3. Put the dialogue in the correct order. Conversation starts with sentence marked I. Hello. Hello means hello. Habla Rosa. Speak Rosa. Es a las 7. A las 6:30 paso para ti. It's at 7 o'clock. At 7:30. Rosa Escuen. ¿Cómo estás? How are you all? How are you? ¿Qué estás presentando? What you are presenting today? Pues te llamo para ver si quieres ir al cine esta noche. I'm calling you to see if you want to come to the cinema this night, this evening. Muy bien. Y esta sorpresa. Very good. And it's surprising. And what should we do? ¿A qué se debe? En el cine La Rambla pasan una de tus películas favoritas. In the cinema La Rambla, one of your most favorite film is going on. Mar adentro, de acuerdo. You have to put this in the correct order. So so what? How will you start?
So with alo,
Hmm?
then habla Rosa next.
Okay.
After that, Juan Rosa is Juan. ¿Cómo estás?
Okay. ¿Cómo estás? Then
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 sir, muy bien.
muy bien. Then you can also do like that. Aló, then habla Rosa. Rosa Escuen, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Uh, muy bien. Y esta sorpresa, ¿a qué se debe? That is also okay. Then you can say, ¿qué están presentando? Okay, then you can directly, ¿qué están presentando? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you can say, Juan is saying, pues te llamo para ver si quieres ir al cine esta noche. Then Juan can also say, es a las 7, a las 6:30, pues paso para ti. Then you can do like that.
Sir, in the back also there are two more sentences.
Back. Okay. Let me do one. Let me do.
Sir, may I share what I wrote?
Yes. Okay. Why not? Please.
Sir, I started with alo. Rosa says alo.
Please continue. Please continue.
Yes. Then Juan says, sí, con Rosa, por favor. Rosa, habla Rosa. Juan, Rosa es Juan. Rosa, muy bien. ¿Y esta sorpresa? ¿A qué se debe? Juan, pues te llamo para ver si quisiera ir al cine esta noche. Rosa, ¿qué están presentando? Juan, en el cine La Rambla pasan una de tus películas favoritas, Mar Adentro. Rosa, sí, pues vamos. ¿A qué hora es la función? Juan, es a las 6:07. A las 6:30 paso por ti. Rosa, de acuerdo.
So, are you, Mr. Pitcore, are you está de acuerdo con señora Indrani Sengupta? Are you, do you agree?
Sir, sir, what will be the meaning of this, the first dialogue on the second page? Like, see, con Rosa, por favor.
Yes,
What
with
will be the
Rosa.
meaning of this?
Yes, I want to speak with Rosa. Por favor, if you please. Por favor is an act of a request. Por favor.
Okay, sir.
Please.
Okay, sir. Then I agree with her, sir.
Okay. And anybody else? Do you have any other suggestions? So will I start with the how to ask questions in Spanish?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In Spanish, you can both divide the clock in two ways, in 12 and in 24 hours. Okay, both can be done. Then some more words. You have learned how to say up to 20s, 24. You know how to say up to 20, 24, isn't? And you know how to speak up to 50 or 60 also, isn't everybody?
Yes, sir.
So some more words. When it's 30, for example, it's 2:30 you say, or in Bengali we say আড়াইটে বাজে, in Hindi we say ढाई baje. So how do you say this 30? You say media. You don't say 30. For quarter, you say cuarto. Okay, please be aware. Cuatro is 4 and cuarto is quarter. Okay. For example, and you have to use these verbs, ser verb, to ask questions. First of all, how to ask questions. ¿Qué hora es? Please say with me. ¿Qué hora es?
¿Qué hora es?
Everybody, please say. ¿Qué hora es?
¿Qué hora es?
¿Qué hora es?
So ¿qué hora es means what is the time now? Now, how do you respond? What is the time now? It's 11:22. So how will you say? Son las, please say with me. Son las
Son las
Son las
Son las
11 horas, 11 horas,
11 horas
11
11
horas
horas
22.
22.
22.
Son las Son las 11 horas 22. If I would say it's 11:30, then you should have said horas y media. 11 horas y media. ¿Sí? Son las 11 horas y media. Please say with me. Son las 11 horas y media.
Son
Son
las
las
Son
11
las
horas y
11
media.
horas y media.
If it was 11:15, son las 11 horas y cuarto. Son las 11 horas y cuarto.
Son las 11 horas y cuarto.
Son las 11 horas y 4.
Cuarto. Then, if it's 12 p.m. the noon, how do you say 12 p.m. in the noon? You don't say 10 horas. Generally, they say, how do they say? It's mediodía. Mediodía. Es la es el mediodía. Es el mediodía. Please say, es el
Es
mediodía.
el mediodía.
Mediodía.
For example, at what time the class started? Today? At 11 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So,
Son las 11 horas.
son las 11 horas. It is 11 o'clock. So, in this way, you can say like that. It's yes, please.
Sir, earlier we wrote media, while for 12 noon we used medio. So why
Yes,
that is
because
that?
because the dia is ending with a, but it's masculine.
Thank you, sir.
You say buenos dias, not buenas dias,
Mhm.
isn't?
Right.
Es la una. It's 1 o'clock. You say es la una. Okay. Please say es la una.
Es
Es
la
la
una.
una.
Yes.
But from 2 o'clock, You say son las 2 horas. From 2 o'clock, you say son las 2 horas. Son las dos both can work. Son las 3. Son las 4. Son las 5, like that. Okay. Any question? Up till now? Please, any question?
So, how will we say that it is like 11:45? Like it is
Okay, yes.
15 minutes.
11:45. So you don't say 11:45 in Spanish, you say quarter to 12. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Es el mediodía menos cuarto. Es el mediodía menos cuarto. If you say es el medio, sorry, es el menos cuarto. If you say es el es el mediodía y cuarto, it's 12:15. But mediodía menos cuarto is 11:45. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I give you some sentences to everybody. Please, can you do this 3? Please try to do. Can you all do these 3? Muy bien. Muy bien. Muy bien. Senora, in the ancient Gupta, you have made a mistake. After 1 o'clock, you don't use S. You have to use son. Okay. From 2 o'clock only, you have to use son. Son las 10 horas y cuarto. Okay.
Sir,
Son las.
after 12 noon.
No, no,
After
no. From
12.
after 1. After 1
After
o'clock.
1. Right, sir.
From at 1 o'clock, you can say es la una. Es la una. But it's 2 o'clock. Whether it's night or in the afternoon, you have to use son las.
Right, sir.
Please correct and share it in front of us. Do these three also.
Pardon me, sir.
These three. It's 628. It's 736. It's 828. And at first, Miss Indrani Shengutu, please correct those sentences, okay? In which you made mistakes. Then you will do these three also.
So pardon me, sir. For 11:20 we used Sonlas.
Hmm.
For 11:20, 30, and 15 we used Sonlas.
Yes.
For 12 noon we used SL, and for
Yes. Maybe.
11:45,
Yes.
12:15 we also used SL.
Hmm. Because 12,
For
they don't
10,
say 12 in Spanish. Because 12,
mhm.
they don't say 12 in Spanish. They say mediodía. Okay?
Yes,
In single
yes, sir.
word. That's why we are using es el mediodía.
Sir, my query was for 11:45.
Okay?
11:45 we used SL, SL medio dia menos cuarto for
Hmm?
11:45, and for 11:20 we used son las once.
We see. Yes, because after 40 they start the back counting in Spanish. They don't say 11:40. It's 22. It's 20 minutes to 12. They say like that. Okay.
Sir, this son las or SL, this is applicable for the minute part or for the
Sonless is
hour
for
part?
hours. Sonless is for hours only.
So, sir, for 10:15 a.m., 10:15 a.m. it will be son las 10:15.
Yes, absolutely.
It won't be SL.
No. After 1 o'clock, you can't use SL.
Okay, right, sir.
Actually, Satpreet Kaur, you have written son las 6:28, but please remember that E is used only when you use cuarto and medio.
Okay, sir. So then what will we use here?
Son las 6 horas is 28. Directly you just say 28.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how do we write AM or PM in Spanish?
AM, you can write in both way. This way you can do de la mañana, you can say de la mañana, and in the evening if you want to say del tarde, you can say like that, del tarde.
So, sir,
Or
for say 8:28 p.m., we'll say son las 8:28, Del tarde.
Yes, you can say like that, or you can directly say like that. It's son las 20 horas. You can also say like that. Both are possible.
Pardon me, sir, I couldn't get.
For example, 8 o'clock at night means 20 hours, isn't it? It's 20 hours, isn't?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So you can say like that also. It's absolutely acceptable. So is it okay for everyone up till now? The timing?
Yes, sir.
So one thing more. For example, at if somebody asks you at what time, a qué hora va a la oficina? If somebody asks you a qué hora va a la oficina, how will you say then? A qué hora? Can anybody say?
A las 10 horas yo voy a la oficina.
Yes. In while saying, you can just say voy only. That is okay. But while writing, it's better to write yo. Okay. Yo voy a la
Yes.
oficina. Yo voy a la oficina. And anybody else will try? Señorita Sapitcor, ¿a qué hora va a la universidad? ¿A la universidad? ¿A qué hora? Will you try, Sapitcor? ¿A qué hora va a la universidad? Can you please, anybody try? Mr. Sapitcor or Shudibara?
Sir, I just wrote it.
Okay. Yo voy a la universidad a las nuevas horas. A las
Okay, sir.
9 horas. Please correct it.
Sir, why is it that during the response, the aura is becoming auras?
Where? Please.
Sir, while asking question, we are asking ake aura, and by responding, it's to be
K ora,
oral.
because at what time you go, K is used for a singular purpose, okay? But while answering, you know. That's why they do like that. Ake ora. The question is Ake ora is. What is the time now? Because you don't know at what time is it. Because that's why this uses the singular version in Spanish.
And sir, while responding, uh, yo voy a la universidad a las nueve horas. Sir, why is it horas in the response?
Because after I told you after one you have to use horas, son las 9 horas, a las 9 horas, like
Okay,
that.
okay. Sir, after one, sir, one means after 1 p.m.
Yes, 1 p.m. or 1 a.m.
Okay.
1 p.m. you can write like the 13 hours also you can write, okay? But if you write like 1 p.m. then es la una hora del mediodía. You have to write like that. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Just give me 1 minute, just 10 seconds. I'm coming from the to get some water, okay? Please don't mind, okay? So, any questions with you all regarding how to ask time? Any questions?
No, sir.
So, I give you some more sentences. Please do these sentences so that I can understand that you have got a good grip on this responding in Spanish, our time. Senior Moshum Roy Chaudhuri, can you hear me? You have to write alas ocho horas, okay? Ocho horas. 11 horas, 11, no, 11 horas 10, 10. So this is the way to express time in Spanish. Now the last thing, another thing which we should do now is imperativo. So will I start a brief introduction about imperativo in Spanish?
Yes, sir.
So why is imperativo used? Can anybody give me any idea? We use imperativo for some specified things like giving commands, asking for a service, and requesting okay. So here you have to use some, not all the forms of a verb. You have to use the two form vosotros, vosotras form, nosotros, nosotras form, and usted, ustedes. These are the forms you use while doing imperativo in Spanish. Okay, because while you giving commands, you don't speak like that. Give me the pen. Please help me. Show me the map. So in this way you speak. So here you have to use directly in this way. Tú and vosotros, vosotras, nosotros, nosotras, and usted, ustedes. So have you all know how to do the conjugate hablar verb, isn't? At first start with AR ending verb, okay? So for two form, you use habla. Habla. Háblame in español. What does that mean? Speak to me in Spanish. For vosotros, vosotras, you say hablad. Hablad conmigo. Speak with me, you all. Speak with me. Hablad conmigo. You know, in vosotros you say vosotros habláis. So you drop the is ending and add just a d. Hablad. In nosotros form, you say hablemos. Instead of saying hablamos, you say hablemos. You say hablemos. Hablemos. Please say hablemos. So please speak with me.
Hablemos.
In two form you say habla.
Habla. Tu habla.
Not two hablas. Habla. Háblame in Spanish. You can say
Yes.
háblame in Spanish. You're giving a command or a request. You can say tu habla. You have to say háblame. If you say habla, that means you're talking to someone whom you're addressing in two form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can't say vosotros hablad. You say hablad conmigo. Hablad conmigo. Please say everybody hablad conmigo.
Hablad conmigo.
Habla conmigo.
Hablar conmigo.
And nosotros form hablemos. Hablemos.
Hablemos.
Hablemos.
Hablemos.
And but in usted form, it becomes hable. So you can say usted, but usted hable. So you can say hable, señor. Hable, señor, por favor. Hable, señor, por favor. And in ustedes form, hablen. Hablen, señores, señoras. Por favor. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
So in this way, in each and every air ending verbs, in two form, you drop the s and add nothing. It becomes habla. For trabajar, it becomes trabaja. For manda, it becomes manda. In vosotros form, you drop the is and add it and add d. So it becomes hablad. For trabajar, it becomes trabajad. For mandar, mandad. In nosotros form, we say hablamos, trabajamos, but here you say hablemos, trabajemos. And in the usted form, you say hable, trabaje. In the trabaje, hable, trabaje, hable. And in the plural form, in the ustedes form, you generally you say ustedes hablan, ustedes trabajan, but here you say hablen, trabajen, manden. Okay, this is the formula to do air ending verbs. First of all, in the next session at 3 to 4 when I come, I will deal with more such air ending verbs, and I will teach you to do how to do air ending verbs also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So any questions up till now, please?
No, sir.
And before ending, please say with me, háblame en español.
Háblame en español.
Háblame en
Háblame en
español.
español.
And in this form, you will say, hablad conmigo.
Hablad conmigo.
Hablad conmigo.
In usted form, hable.
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 Hable, señor, por favor.
Hable, señor, por
Hable,
favor.
señor, por favor.
In ustedes form, you can say hablen, señores.
Hablen, señores.
Hablen, señores.
Nosotros form, you can say hablemos. Let's speak. Hablemos.
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 Hablemos juntos. Speak. Let's speak together. Hablemos juntos en español. Let's speak together in Spanish. Hablemos juntos en español. So this is the way to do.
So what is the meaning of the last sentence you wrote?
Hablemos juntos. Let's speak in Spanish together. Juntos means together. Hablemos juntos in español. So up till now, it's up to this much. At 3 o'clock, we meet again, and we will discuss the rest of this grammatical portion. Okay.
Gracias, señor.
Okay. Nos vemos muy pronto. Okay. So I'm ending the class. Okay.
Gracias, señor.
Gracias. Yes.